part of our COVID-19 response, kahit donasyon pa iyan, basta kailangan marinig natin sa FDA na safe yan, effective yan, darating sa tamang panahon, at walang malabong usapan tulad ng isa-isang tabi muna ang West Philippine Sea dahil nagpo-procure tayo ng vaccines. Walang ganon.
Sorry, Ma'am Macoleta. Since binawi ni Secretary Galvez yung sinabi niya na set aside muna in West Philippine Sea, kahit paano, okay naman po kayo. I mean, you do not worry about baka maging bargaining chip, if ever.
I really worried, precisely. Sabi ko, baka maging sa ganyang sentiment na set aside our differences on the West Philippine Sea dahil tinutugunan natin itong COVID-19. No. Kaya sabi ko nga, they talk a lot about multiple platforms para tugunan ang COVID-19. We too as a country, may karapatan tayo at dapat galingan natin pag-occupy ng iba't ibang platforms. We've already won that platform at The Hague na sinabi nila invalid ang 9-dash line theory ng China to claim what belongs solely or jointly to the Philippines. So it was his statement that really caused my concern. At kaya ko kailangang i-clarify na dapat walang quid pro quo dito, dapat walang...
Thank you for watching Politico TV. Please like and subscribe to our channel for more videos.